Hi, everybody. Welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today to do an unboxing of this new iPhone 11. I opened it on a live on my other channel, Tasty Mukbang Eats, but I wanted to also share this with my audience on Vanessa, My Life, My Journey, because I know not everybody subscribe to my other channels on my other channels. So I have this iPhone 11. It's in the color lavender that I got from AT&T. So I want to explain to you the deal with AT&T, the deal that they're having, the experience that I had with AT&T on getting this iPhone 11. First of all, we know the iPhones cost, your iPhone 11 is about over $1,000. So AT&T is having a promotion where you can buy one iPhone and get one free. But the sale price that they have it at is $700. So you could buy one iPhone and get one free. So you would buy one for $700 and you would get the other one free. If you do not want to partake in that promotion, they also have it where you could buy just one iPhone and get that one half off. So instead of paying $700 for the one iPhone, you pay $350. So I opted out on that, where I got one iPhone for $350. They're also giving you payments on it, and the phone is, if you qualify, all of this is based on if you qualify. So I did qualify to get the phone for $350 with no money down. I didn't have to put any money down, and the bill is like $11 and something a month for 30 months. And I didn't have to put any money down. Some people have to put money down. It's going to depend on your credit or your history with AT&T. They also have bundle rates where you can save more money if you have your internet, other phones, and other services with them. You could also take advantage of that. The only thing I had to pay up front to get this phone was you have to pay the taxes. So if you qualify, you just may have to pay the taxes, and if you don't qualify for it at that level, then you might have to pay the taxes and a deposit. But I did not have to pay a deposit. I just had to pay the taxes. I think my phone bill is going to be like $70 something a month. So first off, let me tell you, my experience with them was you place your order on the phone. They're going to let you know what you qualify for, what your payments are going to be a month. You agree to that. They're actually going to send a representative out to your house to deliver the phone to you. You cannot have this delivered to a P.O. box. So they will personally come, bring it to you, and help you set up the phone. So they came yesterday. They gave me a window of coming between 4 and 6 p.m. And they were here a little bit after 4 p.m. They came, they sat, they talked with me, they helped me set up the phone if you need help on setting up the phone. Otherwise, they would just hand it to you. But I did let them know I wanted them to help me set up the phone. So they actually helped me set up the phone. And when they left, everything was ready to go. So I'm going to open the box. And just to let you know, the phone does not come with a case. You can order a case on Amazon, which I did. I need to go pick it up today. And so this is the phone, and this is the lavender color, which I love. I didn't really have in front of me what colors I could pick from visually, so I just pick lavender because I do like purple. I actually like all colors. And the phone comes with 2 cameras on the back. I haven't used it yet, and they do recommend to get the insurance on it, which was like $15 extra a month. I didn't get the insurance, but everybody is recommending that I do. Also, it comes with the little charger, the iPods or headphones, and the little cord. So my experience with AT&T thus far was I'm 100% satisfied. You know, the phone is beautiful. I still have it in the box until I go to the post office and get my phone case. They do recommend a phone case and a protective screen for it because the phone is made of glass 100%. So if you are looking for an iPhone and you're looking for one at a good rate, you could transfer over. You could transfer your service. I did not transfer my service, you guys, from Metro PCS, and I still got the deal. Like I said, I got this phone for $350. If you want two phones, then you can get it for $700 and get the other phone free. Or if you just want one phone, then you can get the phone for half off. That's an ongoing rate, and at any time you can add another phone if you want to. So if I want to get another phone at a later date, I can. So that's it, you guys. That's my unboxing and my review of the iPhone 11. I don't know who else have deals out there, but I wanted to let you guys know of the AT&T deal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and hit always. And be sure to come back for another video. And if you guys are not subscribed to my other channels, I do have other YouTube channels. I have Tasty Mukbang Eats, this channel, Vanessa, My Life, My Journey, ASMR Tingle Queen, and He Answers Prayers. So check me out on those other channels if you want to keep up with my day-to-day. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Don't forget that He answers prayers. Put God first in your heart and do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. And be the change you want to see in the world. Bye now.